Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Colors of the Wind from the movie Pocahontas. Colors of the Wind uses 7 chords. Here they are. We have a C chord, we have an A minor, we have an E minor, we have an F, we have a D minor, we have a G, and one time in the song we have a B flat. For B flat, you bar these 2 strings, the first 2 on the 1st fret, and then you do that E minor shape. And you only have to do it once. The strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, down, down, up. When the verse repeats, I do something a little different. I do a finger picking, and the way that goes is if I'm fingering my C chord, I'm going to do my first pluck my outer 2 strings, then my inner 2 ones. And I'm using these fingers, so I'll go thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index. You don't have to do it, but it's kind of cool. It changes up the pattern a little bit. If you like this video, you can press like. You can also subscribe to our channel, ukulele.io. And if you go to ukulele.io, we will give you sheet music to this song. You could also leave a comment below. Thanks. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and every creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. How high will the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or whether we are white or copper skinned. We need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind. Enjoy. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon, where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.